Yiggity, yiggity, yiggity. Yiggity, 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 yiggity. Yiggity YouTube. What's going on out there? How y'all doing today? It's your boy Riggedy. I'm out here again on another adventure. Today is going to be something very special. We're going to do a challenge. We're going to do lures versus bait. What are we using? We're going to use some emerald shiners. See if we can. We're going to use these, which should give up a bite where we're at, versus some lures that I brought with me. I got a frog, I got my little Lucky Thompson, and I got this little guy here. So between bait and that, we're going to see what happens. Hopefully we'll be successful. But until then, keep watching and let's see what happens. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be up on the latest videos. Drop the comment. Keep the comments coming. And I appreciate all the support that I'm getting from this channel. All my subscribers that's been on board so far. I appreciate all the love you're giving me. Let's just keep it coming. Let's just keep it coming. Keep telling your friends about the channel. The channel is taking off slowly but surely, but we're finally where we want to be. Still trying to reach that 100 subscriber mark. So let's make it happen. Until then, let's rock and roll. So far today, the two lures I've been using, the frog was unsuccessful. I fished with that for like 15 minutes, and I switched over to the little white hairy thing. I got a couple nibbles, couple of them looked at it. I seen pickerel in here, I seen some bass, I seen some striped bass. I just need something to bite. So now I'm going to switch to the emerald shiners that was given to me by a great supporter of mine, Nick. Nick, we're going to see what your shiners bring in. But we're just going to keep at it. See if we can get, man. Yeah, it's my first time here. I tried lures and now I'm trying shiners.
Oh yeah, live thing?
Well, it's not live. It's not live.
Yeah, I got you. You see a lot.
Yeah, I walked pretty much like a mile halfway down.
Yeah.
I seen two pickerel,
Oh, did you?
some bass,
Yeah.
and striped bass, and some really small striped. There's no spotted bass, so I've seen biggest bass I've seen is probably about. So far, no bites today on this canal. I have to bring some live worms or some live bait here. Maybe I might come here for some carp too, because I keep hearing this, people say that there's carp here. I seen some largemouth bass. I seen two pickerel. Pickerel were probably only about that big. I seen a big bass here. He was probably about maybe 10 inches. Some spotted bass, bunch of small spotted bass, but no lucks on my Thompson spinning lure. No luck on that little white lure, the little jig lure. Actually broke the hook off on that. Other than that, man, skunk city out here, man. But the good thing is, I found a new spot. They do stock this place with trout. And you know, it's my first time here, so I just gotta keep on fishing. I might get lucky one of these days. But you Never give up, man. You never give up. Maybe you're the reason why I ain't catching nothing. You down there catching them all. Come on, man. Can I get one bite? Just one bite. I'll be happy with a bluegill. Good thing about today is a lesson learned. This canal, shiners is not good for this canal. My spinner baits, my lures, they're not biting, man. I see a bunch of stuff in here. I seen pickerel. I seen bass. I seen spot bass. I seen bluegills. I seen a bunch of stuff, man. Just not biting today, man. These guys stay at it, man.
Not bite.
Let's give a couple more casts, and with that, we're just going to chalk it up as experience learned about this place. How was some different, and I ain't see one carp yet. They're saying there's carp in here. If it's carp in here, I need to see it. I need to see some. Let's see how much time I got left out here. $1:15. I got about an hour left. Fish. Been out here since about maybe 10:30. Nothing. I walked a good stretch of the canal, but people telling me walking past, riding past on bikes, that there's stuff in here. Just got to get on the bike. I should have brought some worms, man. Red worms always bring in something. But I was doing the lower challenge versus the shiners. And nothing yet. Well, guys, today was a bust. I didn't catch nothing today. I lost damn near all my shiners getting snagged. I lost my hooks. I'm just losing lures, and I guess that's what it is here. But they're in there though. They're definitely in here. I'm gonna come back, try this location again with some red worms. A little more action to it. Maybe might attract some more fish, but you can't catch them all like Pokemon. You can't catch them all. Not all the time. Some of the time, but not all of the time. But most of the time, when you come to a new place, you get snagged. You don't catch nothing. And you're just learning the area. So I'm just learning the area. I mean, I seen a couple of fish jump. I seen a whole lot of bass and sunnies. But the locals around here telling me that this place is fully stocked with trout. Trout season begins in March. And I will be back here in March to see what these trout are hitting for. But like I said, I will come back to this location again with some red worms and scout the area a little bit more. I'm gonna probably walk down some more of the canal. But I had enough time today, but I was just really trying to pinpoint where the bites were coming from, but I didn't get not a single bite. I seen a whole lot of fish. I'm guaranteed if I had red worms, I would have caught something. So that's going to be the plan for next time, is to bring some red worms and see where we go from there. I mean, they're even telling me they're even telling me that there's carp in here, so that might be something on the agenda too. But it's another location around here that people keep telling me to go to, and it's right across the street. So look forward to seeing me in this area again. I'm not going to tell you the location, but I'll definitely be back here again to pursue some more fish. So drop a comment, hit that notification button so you'll be up on my latest videos. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and let me know what I was doing wrong today. I'm at a local canal. It's stocked with trout here. I seen pickerel here. I seen striped bass. I seen spotted bass. I seen largemouth bass. Let me know what I'm doing. My lures didn't work, and my shiners didn't work here. Drop a comment. Let me know what's going on, and spread the word about this channel, 'cause we're taking off, baby. Until next time, let's rock and roll.